One word: fear. There is so much fear, parallel word, uncertainty in crypto right now. It is the prevailing story and the prevailing theme. And I want to talk about it, and I want to tell you why it's here. I want to tell you what it means to you, and it can hurt you if you let it. I'm making this video for one reason. I want you to know that I get it. I want you to understand that you're not alone and that this too shall pass. We're going to get into all that in this video. Thanks for your support. Hit that subscribe button and drop a like. I would greatly appreciate it. Fear and uncertainty. Market capitalization of the entire crypto market is over $1 trillion. It's up 0.35. It is this action that we're going to be here for a while. A little bit up, a little bit down, a little bit up, maybe a little bit more down, a little bit up, a little bit down. The overall market is simply fearful, and uncertainty is ruling every single thing. You can see it. Okay. Bitcoin has some more downside risk and exposure. It's probably about $20,000 is probably the low what we might see. Okay. We do have some rough waters ahead of us coming in March. I'm going to lay all that out for you. All right. So wherever Bitcoin goes and Ethereum goes, the rest shall follow. Okay. So fear and uncertainty. Here's what's happening. February, we had 3 not great reports come in as it relates to inflation. We had the jobs report was hotter than we expected, way hotter, shows that jobs are not declining and they should be going down, constricting, if you will. We had the CPI report, wasn't as good of a drop in the key inflation metrics that the government looks at, the Fed, the Federal Reserve, et cetera. Then we had the PCE report, which is another variation, another inflation report. All 3 of those showed that inflation is not cooling. Inflation is not relaxing. And why does this matter? It created fear. It created uncertainty. Really, that's what it created. Those 3 reports created uncertainty. There is now uncertainty in the crypto market, and uncertainty equals nobody wants anything to do with it. The bears are not in control and the bulls are not in control. That's the problem. Uncertainty means that the market doesn't even know if it should go down or if it should go up. This is where we're going to be for a while, because now we're rolling into March. We have an FOMC, a Federal Reserve FOMC meeting March 21st and 22nd. It's the 22nd where we're going to learn what the Federal Reserve is going to do about raising the interest rate. The expectation before February was that they would raise it 25 basis points. Now everybody thinks it's going to be at least 50 basis points. That's going to create a move down. We're going to see bears take over, and that's going to create a red market. Now, odds are is that the crypto market will fare better than the stock market in that scenario. We will get another CPI report in early March before the FOMC meeting. So we'll get another glimpse, and we'll get a jobs report. We'll get some insight into jobs as well. I'm not expecting either one of those to be really that good, because inflation is not going away like we want it to, and like the Federal Reserve wants it to. By the way, I'm talking about this in the States, but similar things are playing out globally as well. Inflation is simply not going away as much as with our efforts to combat it. Uncertainty. Okay, now here I'm going to bring it back to you. If you let this take you over, if you let the emotion and the fear take you over, it will run you out of crypto. And if you don't want to be here anymore, so be it. But you're early, and this is the volatile time. You are very early. Well, I've only been here a little while, Austin. Crypto's been around for a while. You're still early. Still way early. Okay. Don't let the tumultuous and kind of turbulent times right now. And by the way, we've got regulation ahead of us in 23. It's going to be a lot more bad press in the mainstream media about crypto. You can't turn on or read something in mainstream media where they're not bashing crypto in one way or the other. You know why? Crypto scares them, period. Okay. Don't let run you off, and don't let somebody else's opinion run you off. stay here of your own volition and your own choosing, or leave of your own volition and your own choosing. But let it be your choice. Really, what I'm trying to say. Don't let uncertainty and don't let fear take over your emotions, for what it's worth. My goal for you, I want you to make as much money as possible. Navigate crypto. And right now, crypto is a little tough to navigate. But this too shall pass and it'll get better. Thank you for your support. I'll see you. Go make some money.